For more great content and daily updates, be sure to join my Patreon server. It only costs 25 cents a day, so it's an investment in your future. Looking forward to seeing you here. So, back with another update for the euro dollar. Some pretty interesting things we've seen. So, for the last week, we were talking about this resistance here between the white and the green and how we managed to break powerfully to the upside here in this blue buying continuation. So I'm going to update the chart here by dragging this. You can see the touch points are very precise here with that very same blue buying we had seen before. So that blue buying not to be neglected. And then as soon as we broke it, you see the selling right here. But there are a couple more things to take note of as I update this chart. So not only will you notice the formation again of this green algorithm right here, you can see the double rejection and the formation of this orange in this particular situation here that we start to see the orange starting to be formed and you see no closes above that orange. So we are coming down again, orange, and in this greenish algorithm here, maybe turquoise we can say, um, we have to be very aware here. So is it any surprise that the price is encountering some sort of support? No, it is not. That is that potential green that we start seeing here. And then we can also not forget about this orange in case this green were to fail. An unexpected drop here, we could see some sort of move back here to where orange is along with 20-day moving average. So after such a move was created and we see the breakout here, this is for sure a cup about a month's in, and we are for now most likely building some sort of handle with the orange and with the green to be looking for some buying continuation. So ideally that buying continuation is in the same blue algorithm we had seen before, but who knows really how this is going to play out. My guess is we are creating the initial liquidity for the handle. We will create some sort of head here at around 20 day and on the break of that green here on this extended version. So it's going to take a bit longer, maybe. Something like this could be a bit more factual per se, and we would protect maybe by this orange, by this yellow. So we do have to see how 20-day begins to react and what structures begin to form. For the moment, that's just a hypothesis. And what is real though is this green and this orange. So you have to trade accordingly to that. And you want to see the blue algorithm if you're ever going to buy again. Until then, you have to respect that we are selling strongly in this orange still until we break out of it, and then you can begin worrying about this green, but they are there and they are controlled selling algorithms for the moment. So until we actually see, for example, this head and shoulder pattern happen on the break of this yellow is when we would start to see lower prices. But until then, until that happens, and that can still be a couple weeks away, nothing of the sort needs to concern you. So just focus for now on this controlled selling, on the buying continuation structure that is going to appear here. Uh, if at all, it might not. We just have to read the algorithms, and that's what the algorithms are saying. We are looking again for a handle to form after this cup was completed. So yeah, pretty much a simple update. I do want you to keep a close eye for this, and I hope that this video has helped. So again, green and orange will tell you everything you need to know. And again, the liquidity buildings in the yellow are going to help bring this lower if it happens. So this is going to grab strength off the break of yellow. And for now, this last yellow is the one that broke. So we could expect this to continue selling somewhat strongly until either this support here at the green or this support here at orange with 20-day moving average. So I know the chart is messy. I know the chart is difficult to follow, but you can ask any questions that you might have in the comments and I'll get back to you. I promise that at least. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.